Good morning everybody. It is a breezy and cold morning, but that doesn't mean that we're not going to work outside. Do this workout outside today for our hurricane circuit on Monday morning at 9:30 a.m. on April the 13th. And it's a chance to get outside and breathe some fresh air. Good morning, Jenny. Hope you're ready for the hurricane. And So, some people are inside having their coffee right now, watching me do this. I'm like, I don't know if I want to go out. It's a little too cold. It's a little too cold and a little too breezy to go outside and work out. But that's the way it is, But, I say it's a way to start your day, a way to get yourself energized, and a way to get going. So let's get a little warm up. And to make sure you are warmed up, Eric is on, all right. And so we're going to get warmed up here with the hurricane before we do the hurricane circuit this morning, because it is a little cold. I did take my dog for a walk, and I had my jeans on and 2 sweatshirts, and then I did a little yard work. I think my yard has looked the best it's ever looked. But as you can imagine, trying to find stuff to do. But anyway, let's get warmed up. So let's start with our walking lunge. We're going to step forward, twist. So I've got my 15 yards marked out. So we'll start with that. Who else is on? Christine, my regulars are on. This is awesome. All right, here we go. So let's do our forward step lunge. We're going to right turn, left turn, and jog, step up. Left turn, right turn, jog it up. Right big step, right. I'm going to jog all the way back. So let's do that one more time. So we'll do a right foot step again. Here we go. Right foot step. Right step. Left foot step. Right foot step. All right. Let's go. Hey, let's do jumping jacks this time. 10 reps. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll do our side steps and then pull the arms back. Here we go. Side step out. 1, 2, 3. Cross step behind. 1, 2, 3. Cross step behind. 1, 2, 3. Cross step. 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 1, 2, 3. Jogging it back. All right, so now we're going to go jumping jacks again. 10 reps. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side step, face this other way now. Here we go. Step it out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, jog it back. All right, good. Let's go clapping jacks this time. Clapping jacks. Feet together. Hands up, 10 reps. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you're going to grab the right foot. Bring your left hand up. Coming down with the left hand towards the left foot, if you can. 1, 2, 3. Jog it up. your left foot. Grab the right foot. 1, 2, 3. Grab your left foot. Jog it all the way back. All right, now let's go clapping jacks again. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start off, grab the right foot again. Here we go. Grab the right foot, coming down. 1, 2, 3. Jog it up. Grab the left foot. 1, 2, 3. Jog it up. Grab the right foot. 1, 2, 3. Jog it up. Grab the left foot. 1, 2, 3. All the way back. Back. All right, now let's go crisscross. Crisscross jacks. Feet together. Whoops, sorry. Feet out wide, hands up. Crisscross jacks, 10 reps. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to go walking straight leg kick. So it's 1 kick, 3 steps. Let's get 8 kicks all the way down. Hands up, ready, go. 1, 3 steps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jog it all the way back. All right, let's go crisscross jacks again. Crisscross jacks again. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another set of walking straight leg kicks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think these people think I'm going to walk out in the middle of the street. That's all right. Okay, now we're going to do 16 mountain climbers. 16 mountain climbers. So, get yourself on your mat. If you want to stay at my speed, you can. You can always go a little faster. I like to make sure both feet hit the same time. We're going to go 16 reps. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, next, we're going to go 3 squats. And then you're going to jog step up for 5 yards. Here we go. 3 squats. 1, 2, 3. Jog it up. 3 squats. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Jog it up. 1, 2, 3. All the way back. All right, let's go mountain climbers again. Mountain climbers again, one more time. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, 3 squats. 3 squats. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Jog it up. 1, 2, 3. Jogging it back. Woo. It's not cold anymore. Definitely starting to warm up a little bit here. So now, let's go skipping. Let me just move this out of the way. There we go. So now we're going to skip all the way down, decelerate, stop. Then we'll jog back and we'll do another skip. So forward skip. Here we go. Way back, jogging it back. So let's go one more time, skipping, ready, go. All right, let's go backward jog. So stay on the balls of your feet, don't go to your heels, stay up tall. You ready, go. And then forward jog back. Let's do one more time. Don't forget that step back, stop down there. Balls of your feet, go. All right, let's go. Side shuffle, athletic position, side shuffle down. Here we go. Jog back. All right, let's go one more time. Face the other way. Side shuffle, go. Jogging back. Woo. And now, karaoke. Ready? Go. Jogging back. All right, let's go again. Karaoke. Ready? Go. All right, good job. Little water break. So the warm up, about 12 minutes right there. Not too bad. I'm actually perspiring a little bit. But you know, I've been up since 6:30 doing stuff. I just don't like to lay in the bed all day. I feel unproductive when I do that. So yeah, I already had my warm water with lemon, got the metabolism going. So we're gonna get right into the hurricane next. And so if you saw my chart that I posted, it's a 4x4 with 3 sets on each. So what that means is we have 4 rounds of the hurricane. And on the first round, we're gonna do a 60-yard shuttle run, which is very standard for us in our TFW classes. So I start from here, I run 15 down, touch that line, come back, so that's 30. And I gotta do it again, down and back. So 2 laps of running, then we're just doing round 1. Then you're gonna do a gate swing. So I've got 4 to 10 reps. So demonstrating the gate swing, it's here. So I'm sinking down low, turn the legs out, a little quick jump at the top. I do 4 to 10 reps just because I'm not sure everybody's level of effort that you're going to be able to give and your ability to do those exercises. So do 4 to 8 gate swings. Then you have a push-up with the knee in. And again, your push-ups can always be on your knees, and then you just pull the knee in. Okay, so then the second level, I come all the way down and I come up off the knees. The third level, I come down on my knees, but I don't go all the way down, then I come up off the knees. So that's a little bit tougher. And then the last one, of course, I never touch the ground with my knees, but I get really close in that full range of motion. So 4 to 10 reps of those. Then you got 2 burpees. I feel like I've done a lot of burpees over the last 3 weeks. So remember, the burpee doesn't have to be so ballistic. You can literally just squat down, step your feet out, step your feet in, and stand up. That's the movement of a burpee. Whether you go more ballistic or faster with that, or you hop up, that's up to you. So that level 1, you can make it an easy level 1 for yourself, okay? Now, remember, on the hurricane, each round we're gonna do 3 sets. And after each set, so 1 set would be doing the run, the gate swing hop, the push-ups, the burpees. That's 1 set. Then, after we finish 1 set, we're going to rest 10 seconds. Then, we go through the second set of all the exercises, and we go through the third set after we rest for 10 seconds. Then you're going to get 2 minutes off, We're going to walk back and forth for recovery time to let the heart rate drop, because the heart rate is going to come up. So this is where you're going to have that disturbance in the entire body. And if you want to make this more challenging, then you make the run portion faster and harder. If you want to make it easier, then you just jog it, or you can even power walk it. So it doesn't have to be a sprint. I'm going to run hard, but I'm not going to sprint. Just not able to sprint and maintain good technique. So, but I'm going to run them hard. So we have 4 rounds. Normally we just do 3. Now we're doing add another round in. So, but we'll get plenty of time to recover in time. If you cannot recover in between the rounds, that means you need to back off your effort. Okay. So if you've never done a hurricane, you got to be careful of that. So let's get started. I'm going to put this guy right here, just so you guys can see me when I'm doing that. So the run is first. I'm going to time and see how long it takes to do a set, or a whole round. Actually, a whole round. Are you guys ready? And go. Gate swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push up with the knee in. 4 to 10 reps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got to stand up before you do a burpee. Here we go. 1, 2, 10-second rest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. Gate swing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push-ups. 2 burpees. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Gate swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push up knee in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 burpees. 2. All right, now we recover. So 2 minutes of walking. Here we go. That was about 3 minutes. So that one round took 3 minutes. Now we're going to walk for about 2. met some new people actually. Go to my walks every day with my dog. So now I'm gonna let you keep recovering. So it's been about a minute. We're gonna go in 1 minute from now. We're gonna go again. So round 1 is over. Now we're on to round 2. If you noticed, the run is consistent every time. Starts that run. So you're gonna run down and back 2 laps again. 15 down, 15 back twice. Now you got split lunge jump. So see if you can reach in between your legs. Hop up, 1, 2. All right, if you don't want to do a hop, you can just do something like this. All right, the higher you hop, the more reps you do, so it's 4 to 10 reps. Then, this time you do a push-up, then a shoulder tap. And you get 4 to 10 reps as well. So I go down and a shoulder tap. Remember, I can be on my knees to make this less challenging. Then, butt down burpee. So we sit down on the mat or wherever you want to sit. You lay back, you sit up, you lay back, you roll over, then you get up. So let me show it to you again, right? So you sit down, just in case you haven't seen this before. Lay down, sit up, lay back down, roll to the other side, and then get up however you can. So by now, guys, it's been 2 minutes. And if you're not recovered, then you need to give less effort. So that's the name of the game when you're doing, I would call this a HIIT workout, high intensity training. So we just went through a pretty tough part, 3 minutes, pretty challenging. If it wasn't that challenging, then you can always try harder. But remember, you gotta be able to recover. So round 2, 3 sets, 10-second rest each time. Ready, go. Split jumps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push up with a shoulder tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Butt down burpees. One more. Don't smash your head. 1, 2, 10-second rest. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. Split jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push up shoulder tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Butt down burpee. One more. 1, 2, one more set. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. Split jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push up shoulder tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 burpees. Butt down first. Ooh. All right, good. So that is the second round. Walking for 2 laps. Here we go. Walk to recover. Woo. Ain't nobody out here today. Beautiful day and nobody's outside. What is it David Droggins always says? Taking souls. Nobody else wants to work it outside because it's a little too cold. Taking souls. Hey, what you do with while we're in quarantine is that it's up to you, man. It's up to you. But I make these workouts not just for you, but for myself. Because if I don't do this, I don't really do much. But I do it because I know it'll motivate myself to do it. So I write it down, I schedule it, then I make an accountable 9:30 time. And I got to get up and do it, man. Or I'm going to look like some kind of fool. Here I am posting all this stuff and I don't do it. But now you've got something to do too. So just get up and do it. Be more productive today than you were yesterday. Be more productive this week than you were last week. And see what that helps you do. It's amazing what you can do in a month's time. In a day's time, actually. All right, round 3. Enough talking. You can tell I'm getting a little warmed up here. The juices start flowing. Start talking too much. Down and back run. Lateral line hops. So an alternating lateral squat jump. So I get down here, imaginary line, hop over, 1, 2. If you don't want to hop, just do like a little push off. So you do 8, so I'm doing 4 to 8 times. Each rep counts as 1. Then you got to push up into a stretch. So show you from the sideways here so you can see it. Press back, right? So we're going to do those 4 to 10 times. And then I go back to the regular burpees. Okay? You guys ready for round 3? Let's go. Set, go. Lateral line hops. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push up, stretch. 4 to 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got to stand up before you do the burpee. Here we go. 1, 2, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Lateral line hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push up, stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 burpees, stand up, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Lateral line hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push up, stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 burpees. 1, 2. Now we walk again. Recover. Notice my breath. It's up there. So I got to recover before I can do it again. Here we go. Walk. Woo. So let's go. I'm going to go one more walking lap here. Just trying to get the heart rate in the drop. All right. So I got about another minute of recovery. Take a little water if you need it. The throat's getting a little dry. It is dry out here. It feels pretty good though. So we got one more round to do. We've completed 3 rounds. Now on to the 4th round. 60-yard run, shuttle again, 15 down and back twice. Then regular push-ups for 4 to 10 reps. All the way down, all the way up. Don't cheat. You get tired, I don't care, don't cheat. Then 2 burpees, and then butt down burpees for second. So we know what those look like. We've been doing them all along. This is the last round. As we like to say in TFW, last round, best round. And that is what it is. This is going to be the best round. This is going to set the tone for your day. How productive you are today depends on this round right here. If you slack, then you're going to make it a slack type of day. And it's your chance. This is your chance. I'm telling you right now. What you do with this round is going to set the tone. It's going to set the tone. Matter of fact, I think this shirt's got to come off because that's how warm I've gotten. 3 sets and we're done. Ready? Go. Regular push-up, 10 reps. 2 burpees. 1, 2 butt down burpees. 1 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Push-ups. All the way up, burpees. Butt down burpees. One more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last set. Come on, everything you got. Push-ups. Let's go. Burpees. Butt down burpee. Butt down burpee. Woo! Nice. So, walk 2 laps. All right, cut my breath. So now, what I'm going to do next is, I've got my gloves, so I'm going to do some crawls. I'm not going to bore you with that since it's been like 37, 38 minutes of rolling time here. But I'm going to do bear crawl down, jog back, then backward bear. Then I'm going to go my spiders, the lateral walk on my hands and feet with a push-up every time. All the way down, jog back, then face the other way, spider down, and then jog back. Then I'm going to go rabbit, forward rabbit, all the way down, jog back, then go backward rabbit. And then I'm going to do the tiger crawl forward, jog back, and then backward tiger. And then I'm even going to do the crab because I like to get a full at least 45 minutes, and we're only 37 minutes into this. So, and I've been talking a lot, so let's get some crawls in, guys. But hopefully you enjoyed that, got you up and moving. I'm sweating, and it's 55 degrees and breezy out here. It's a beautiful day. Guys, make it a productive day for yourself. God bless all you guys. I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow.